any repetition of swara? No. It will maintain the all seven notes, then seven all notes will also aroh, and whatever the order is following the same arohan order it is there. But there is no repetition of swaras. But now we see this is a Janaka, Mela Karta. But in Janya Raga, there will be so many things will be there. Originates from the Janaka or parent Raga. Child Raga uses same scale as, scale तो वही use करेंगे सारे गाने. Same swara that the parent uses may or may not use the seven swara in both ascending and descending order. It is not necessary कि आप सारे स्वर ऊपर जाते समय use करो and then नीचे आते समय. So what is a permutation and combination? It starts with the swaras. Understood? Sometimes 6 swaras up, 4 swaras down. So the permutation and combination is done. And Janya Raga need not use all the 7 notes of the parents. It may be all 7 notes in the ascending order, while it can use 6 notes in the descending order, or even use the other combination. And also, unlike the parent, the Janya Raga can repeat swara. जो वहां नहीं हो रहा है वो यहाँ नहीं हो रहा है. Yes, may or may not. So understood the difference? They can repeat the swara, and then order of aroham and then order of aroham, it is what can change. Understood? Janak Raga, or which Raga we have seen? Janya Raga. Understood? And then who is the father of Mela Karta Raga? Venkat Makhi. His monumental work Chaturdandi Prakasika developed the Mela Karta, one of the Raga. Understood it? So understood it? So we are moving towards, and which are the Carnatic musics are there? Which are the Carnatic musics? One music is, I said that. Which I said that? One music is Abhyas Gana, and one it is Sabha Gana. Abhyas and Sabha. And Abhyas के लिए मैंने क्या बोला था? विरासत. Yes, and I said that. What it is in a Varisa. Which I said? Varisa. So वारिस है कि नहीं है आपको पता नहीं. देखते हैं विरासत में मिल रहा है नहीं वारिस. जनताई वारिस. And then ताड़ी वारिस. और कहीं पे जाके कोलाइडेड. ठक्कू. टक्कर वारिस. ठक्कू वारिस. And somewhere what? पीकर आपको किसी ने धक्का मारा. धत्तू वारिस. Which are the waris? I said that. Yes, जनताई वारिस. Yes, जनताई वारिस. थारा वारिस. वारिस नहीं यहाँ पे what is an there is an स्थाई, लेकिन आपको ये याद करना है वैसे. And then थारा वारिस. And thereafter I said थक्तू ठक्कू धत्तू. And thereafter I said AG. स्वर जाति and jati swar. Understood? Swar jati, and then I said jati swaram. AG, I said that alankaram, and G for gitam. G for, and then swar jati and jati swaram. Then we are coming towards which one I said that? Sabha ganam. And the Sabha ganam मैंने बोला varnam. Which one I said that? Varnam kriti. Varnam. And then Varnam Kriti Padam Javali. Varnam Kriti Padam. तो वर को आजकल के कैसा वर चाहिए लड़कियों को? जो जावा स्क्रिप्ट जानता हो, एंड अनदर जो उसके पैरों पे बैठा हो पद पे. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द गर्ल? कृति. वर्णम कृति पदम जावली. यस. तो लाइफ कैसे हो जाओगे आप? घर में चुप कर एक कमरे में बैठ के चिल्लाया करोगे. तिल्लाना. व्हाट आई सेड दैट? व्हिच वन आई सेड दैट? एंड वो भी अपने आप में एक क्या है? राग. एंड देन अगेंस्ट द मल्लिका. आई सेड दैट राग मल्लिका. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. एंड द कृति इज व्हाट? टेल मी फर्स्ट. कृति क्या है? यस टेल मी. ध्रुपद. इट इज सिमिलर टू द ध्रुपद ऑफ नॉट. कृति इज सिमिलर टू द ध्रुपद ऑफ. So हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं कि how do the what is in a few musics are coming, and then Gitam. I said that संचारी समझ में आता है? आरोह and aroh. There are various forms of Gitam such as what is in a sadharan. Sadharan means ordinary, and sanchari Gitam. and Lakshana Gitam. Which are I said that? Which are the Gitam I said that? Simple. Yes, this is the simple raga. Another I said that? Sanchari Gitam. And then I said that on the basis of surrounding, you are doing some Gitam, Lakshana Gitam. Lakshan, kaisa surrounding hai waisa you ga rahe hain. Lakshana Gitam. The Gitam is known for easy and melodious flow of music. It is sung without repetition from the beginning to the end. And is generally devotional. It is generally Gitam. हमने क्या बोला? It is there is no repetition, without repetition from the beginning to the end. So Gitam में कौन कौन सा देखा हमने देखा? Yes, tell me. साधारण, संचारी, yes, and then Lakshana. Understood? These are the Gitam. और ये कैसे होते हैं? What is there? I said that easy and melodious. Comparatively Gitam आपको first है. ये अभ्यास करते समय आप अभ्यास का गाना. And thereafter, unlike a Gitam, Swar Jati has a division similar to a regular Kriti. Understood? And do you remember, I said that Mukhla. Do you remember Mukhla? Mukhla means after every song has first two lines has a Mukhla. And thereafter there is an, I said that. Yes? Antara. And here we are seeing that there is a Pallavi, Anupallavi. What is there? In the Carnatic music, what is there? Pallavi and Anupallavi. Who will be repeated? Pallavi or Anupallavi? In North में there is a Mukhla. Initial song is what is a Mukhla and there is an Antara. So who is repeated? That is a Mukhla is in the repeat. Aya Surur, Bad में Aya Surur. And then in the North there is one song is there Tamma Tamma. सोचो कितने बार Tamma Tamma they used to say. So Tamma Tamma is in what is in a, and along with this there is in some more words. It is in Mukhla. And after that there is in one I said that Antara. And Antara is not in the repeat. Antara is not in the repeat. Only who is in the repeat? Similarly in the Carnatic music, Pallavi. Which one I said that? It is in a kind of what is in a way you can repeat it. And after that there is an Anupallavi. Which one I said that? It is in 2-3 lines after Pallavi. It is in some lines are after that I said Pallavi. And then there is in a Sanchara. And Sanchar bolte hain stanza. One stanza, second stanza, third stanza. So what we are, sorry, Chandam bol raha hu Sanchar. Pallavi, Anupallavi and so there is a several stanza, Chandam. And then Pallavi is always in the repetition. Pallavi is always in the repetition after each Charnam. And who will be not in the repetition? Anupallavi. Understood it? So I said that हम लोग क्या देखें? स्वर जाति has in a similar division. I said that a regular Kriti. And then what I said that regular Kriti कैसी है आपको? It is like in a Drupad of North. And then Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam. Understood? And then it is more complicated than what? Gitam में क्या था? Easy, melodious. And यहाँ पे क्या है? Pallavi, Anupallavi, Charanam. And after every Charanam, there is a Pallavi has to be what? Repeated. Understood? So Gitam से अगला आपका अभ्यास क्या होगा? Next अभ्यास will be Swar Jati. After Gitam, which abhyas, which exercise you will do? Swar Jati. Then I said Jati Swaram. Clear? मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? So I said that Jati Swaram also known as a Swar Pallavi. Which one I said that? Jati Swaram. And it is in a kind of composition containing only Swaras, and these are learnt after learning Gitam and before Varnam. तो इसको कब लिखते हैं? स्वर पे इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है. बिफोर वर्णम इट इज ना सभा गाना. वर्णम इज द फर्स्ट वन. वर्णम कृति पदम जावली. सो वर्णम सीखने से पहले आपको कौन सा सीख लेना चाहिए? जाति स्वरम. सो पहले आपने कौन सा सीखा? गीतम. देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन स्वर जाति एंड द स्वर में कृति लाइक आई सेड दैट पल्लवी, अनुपल्लवी एंड देन चरणम. थोड़ा सा it is difficult than Gitam. It is difficult than Gitam. And after that, before Varnam, what we have to learn? Jati Swaram. So Gitam is smaller, easy, melodious. Yes or not? Thereafter I said that Swar Jati. It is in a Pallavi, Anupallavi, little complex. and then jati swaram सीखने के बाद come to what? So before coming to Varnam, you should learn this one, jati swaram. Understood? Pallavi क्या है आपको बता दिया है. This is the start of the song. The first two lines of the song, they occur after every stanza, means charanam. Anupallavi, this is a pallavi, is followed by 2 or 3 more lines. After the pallavi, there will be 3 or more lines will be there, and it's called as anupallavi. Generally, there is only one anupallavi in any song. It means it is not repetition. This go to higher frequency, that pallavi adds beauty to the music. Charanam. This is the stanzas of the song which have the same tune, and then there can be more than one charanam for a song, and the pallavi is sung after every charanam. Understood? Pallavi, anupallavi, and then we have seen charanam. So अब हम लोग कौन सा सीखेंगे? Which are we have seen? Geetam, Swar Jati, Jati Swaram, and after that there will be Varnam. And I said that. What did I said that? Varnam. And Varnam में what we are saying that it can be considered as a bridge between two musical forms. Abhyas Ganam to Sabha Ganam. It is enough. Jati Swaram सीखना चाहिए before coming into what? Varnam. And then Sahityam part of the Varnam is very minimal. The most made up of Bhakti or what? Sringar Rasam. Sringar Rasam. तो ये कैसा है? श्रृंगार से भरा हुआ है. And then I said that, which one I said that? Bhakti. So Bhakti or Sringar Rasam. So Varnam are composition under the Chitrtara Margam. So they have 4, what is the name? Akshramas per Kriya. And then Varnam has 2 parts. First part is known as the Purvangam, and followed by, I said that, Uttarangam. Understood? And then Varnam usually have 4 or 5 Etugula Swaram, and then first part of Varnam is musical form, and the latter is purely dance form. So Varnam are composition under what is the name? Chitra Thara. Thara word क्या आपने सुना है पहले? Thara स्थाई अभी था ना? Thara Varisa Varis. So I said that Thara. I said that Chitra Thara Margam. I said that when it is in some songs are there, Varnam is composition under Chitra Thara Margam. It is in a kind of what is in a, so many musics are there, and along with the flowing with the pictures. Music flowing with pictures. Music Chitra Thara Margam. And so they have 4 akshramas per kriya, and then part में हर क्रिया के बाद 4. It is not going to be ours. But ये ध्यान में रखिए Varnam. But Varnam has 2 parts. Which are the 2 parts? Purvangam and then with Purvangam, you know that first 4 swaras are known as Purvangam, and the last 3 swaras are known as what? Uttarangam. And Varnam usually have 4 or 5 Ethuguda swaram. Means it is made up of 4 swaras or 5 swaras. Then first part of Varnam जो किया जाता है वो किसके लिए होता है? Yes, and that it is for the music, and the latter part of it is for the what? Dance. So what is the Varnam? I said that. Just tell me. Varnam is in a bridge between which one? Abhyas Ganam and Sabha Ganam. And then Sahityam part is very minimal, but it is we can be able to say that it is an acting as an what? Bridge between this, and it has 2 parts, Purvangam and Uttarangam. And then we have been able to see the first 4, and it is made up of 4 or 5 Ethuguda Swaram. And then I said that it has been first part is music, second part is dance.